Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to set up a Wise account step by step so you can start sending and receiving money internationally with ease. Let's dive in. Step 1. Visit the Wise website or download the Wise app. Go to wise/wise.com or open the App Store on your phone and search for Wise. Install and open the app to begin. Step 2. Click on Register or Get Started. Choose whether you're signing up as an individual or a business. Most people will select individual. Then enter your email address, create a password, and select your country of residence. Step 3. Verify your phone number. Wise will send you a text message with a code. Enter that code to verify your phone number and continue with your registration. Step 4. Provide personal details. Fill in your full name, date of birth, home address, and occupation. These details help Wise comply with financial regulations and keep your account secure. Step 5. Verify your identity. Depending on your country, you may be asked to upload a photo ID, such as a passport or national ID card, and take a selfie to confirm your identity. Verification can take a few minutes or up to 48 hours. Step 6. Add your first currency balance. Once verified, you can add a currency balance like USD, EUR, or GBP. This lets you receive money like a local and convert between currencies at Wise's low rates. Step 7. Link a bank account or card. To send money, add a bank account or debit credit card to fund your transfers. For receiving, Wise gives you account details in various currencies like an IBAN or routing number. Tip: use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. And that's it. Your Wise account is now set up and ready to use.